Topside demonstration is performed by Lieutenant Colonel Paul flying the Harrier from the South End, and it's over 2,000 air. The Harrier is part of the second grade aircraft fleet since came in 1971 when there were AV-8Bs. What you see before you is AV-2 plus. There's only two tactical squadrons left now. We got VMA-231, Ace of Spades, VMA-223, Great American Bulldogs, as we begin to transition fully over to the F-35, Bravo, and Charlie, in the United States Marine Corps. Coming from the left, Lieutenant Colonel Schrock, conducting a high-speed low pass. From the right, Lieutenant Colonel Schrock conducting another high-speed low pass.
Should do it, but about VMA-231, it was the very first Marine Aviation Squadron formed in 1919. And so it only makes sense that that VMA-231 conducts the blast of their interval. And in from the left, Lieutenant Colonel Schrock is going to slow down now. When we get out to the cameras, this is going to be the photo pass. He's going to make a nice platform of the jet. This will be the last time you're going to be able to see this in air show, folks. permission denied.
Which I didn't mention is the commanding officer of VMA-231. He'll be coming in from the right to demonstrate the brake during for vertical flight.
I'm not taking you anywhere.
The pilot who directs the engine in the air through the reaction control nozzles located at the wingtips, nose, and tail maintains control of the aircraft during vertical operations. Now let's watch as he slows the aircraft down, configures it for landing, and comes in for the hover work. And just a reminder to everyone, there is nothing helping the pilot during this maneuver. We run off hides, hydraulic systems, and mechanical linkage. So this is truly one of the last stick and rudder tactical jets in the DoD inventory.
First time I saw one like this.
Through the use of these nozzles and being able to perform V-stall operations, the AV-8B is capable of operating from remote sites in close proximity to friendly forces or on carriers and other smaller ships where only a minimum amount of landing space is available. nice demonstration of the vertical capabilities of this aircraft.
I saw a lot of smoke. And that's something that research early on, having a smoking jet was a dead giveaway. Why all the smoke when he was climbing away?
So that's mineralized water. We carry 500 pounds of it.
You're telling me you put water on the fire?
Yeah, we put water on the fire to cool the motor down and get more out of it.
So you put water on the fire, it burns better, more thrust.
So yeah, about 1,000 pounds more thrust.
Wow! Wow! That's the smoke. That's got to be exceptionally important on a hot day.
It's very important on a hot day. We wouldn't be able to do any hover work or vertical landings without it.
I'm going to get my camera ready. He's been cleared to land. I'm going to get my camera ready because I want to see the final landing, the final demo here at the sunset of the Harriers. Absolutely, I can see.
I'm thinking that now I did 365 days. You see the videos. At least let's see the video.
They're rolling vertical landing here. About 5 degrees drop, so a little bit lower than as it introduces the as well as the shows some designs.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the final Harrier demonstration. In closing, I would like to say that it would be impossible to find a Harrier pilot who would not believe that the Harrier is the most rewarding aircraft they've ever flown. The second Marine aircraft wing, the AV-8B, takes great pride in having its share service site today. Thank you for coming out, everyone, and happy Mother's Day.
Captain Mike Fucci. I'm sorry, no, I'm not sorry for inadvertently calling you Major yesterday.
I appreciate the joke.
Way to go, ladies and gentlemen, a nice round of applause for Mike Fucci at your United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier 2 Plus final demonstration. Yes, sir. Thank you. WITN, the most watched, most trusted news in all of Eastern Carolina, is proud to be a media partner of the 2024 Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point.
Probably going all the way to the end.
Trust WITN and their certified most accurate first alert weather team to keep you and your family safe.
My
Download with the WITN weather app now or on the App Store or Google Play. Interbanks, thanks to Interbanks Media, like cars entering your commentary. Interbanks also pays the business of our radio stations. Talk 96.3, 103.
It's all the
WNC 107.9. The game is 94.3.
This is like the opposite, so like the weight is above the...
Together with our members, the electric cooperatives of Eastern North Carolina are creating a brighter future.
It's just very small. Like, when you shoot it out, right? It's like on a slope. Like, yeah, it's exactly.
The ball's through.
Oh, yeah.
I love this pleasure.
So wide.
Yeah, the
You
line
recognize it anywhere.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely like, wait, is that a Harrier? What?
It's like an A-top sort of 20, but I'll send you a